Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you the difference between Canva Free and Canva Education and how you can access all premium features for free. So I'm going to start with the Canva Free features, which is on the right hand side, and then Canva Education is on the left hand side. So here on the right hand side, which is Canva Free plan. With Canva Free, you get basic templates. So you can be able to see, you'll just get basic templates, basic photos and elements, limited storage, no brand kits, no background remover, and you'll be having watermarked premium features elements if it works well for simple designs. So for instance, if I want to customize this template here, this on Canva Free plan, I'll open it. Then I say use this template. So when I open it, you'll be able to see that I can't be able to use this template because it contains premium features. Therefore, it toggles me to a payment module where I'm supposed to pay to unlock all the premium features. So it is not for free. However, with Canva Education, which is on the right hand side, here all the premium features are unlocked. So Canva EDU unlocks almost everything you get in Canva Pro, whereby all premium templates. We have the Pro photos, videos and graphics. We have background remover, brand kits. You can see we have unlimited folders, premium animations, premium audio, high quality exports, collaboration tools. So for instance, if I want to maybe to use this template here in Canva for Education, I'll have to open this. For instance, you see that it has unlocked this template for me. Why? Because all the premium features have been unlocked and I can be able to customize it based on my needs. So the main difference between a Canva Pro and Canva Edu plan is that Free plan is limited and Edu gives you full access to professional tools at no cost. So if you want to unlock all the premium features, I've placed the Canva Edu invite link in the description below. So click it, join the team, and you'll instantly access all pro features for free. So thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget, the Edu invite link is in the description. Join and start creating amazing designs today. See you in the next video.